Freezing rows and columns allows you to keep some of your data in the same place as you scroll through the rest of your spreadsheet. This is particularly useful if you have headings or labels that you want to keep in one place as you scroll through a large data set, so you can keep track of the titles on the rows or columns. Use the dark gray lines on the top left of your spreadsheet to freeze rows and columns. To freeze rows, place your mouse over the horizontal gray line. When the pointer becomes a hand, click and drag the gray line downwards below the last row you wish to freeze. A gray border is added to the spreadsheet below the rows you have frozen. You can now scroll down while the frozen rows remain in view. Click and drag the vertical gray line to the right of the last column you wish to freeze. You can now scroll to the right while the frozen columns remain in view. Notice that the frozen rows also remain in view. Drag the gray lines to new positions to change the number of rows or columns you want to freeze. To unfreeze all rows and columns, drag the gray lines above row 1 and to the left of column A. If you want, you can click the View menu, then Freeze Rows or Freeze Columns, and select the number of rows or columns you'd like to freeze.